Good morning, children. Children, we are starting with the next grammar topic, and the topic for today is nouns possession. A noun can show what it owns or possesses. And to show belonging or possession, what do we use? We use a hook like a thing called apostrophe. This is how an apostrophe look like. It looks like a comma, but it is placed at the top and not at the bottom. Now look at this sentence. These books belong to Mona. So children, here the books belong to whom? They belong to Mona, or we can say that they are owned by Mona, or they are possessed by Mona. So instead of saying that these books belong to Mona, I can also say that these are Mona's books. Okay? So here we have first written the name of the person who possesses the books. Who possesses the books? Mona. And then there is an apostrophe. Can you see this small hook like a thing at the top? This is what? This is an apostrophe. And then we put an S. And then whatever he or she possesses. Like in case of Mona, Mona possesses what? She possesses books. So we have written that these are Mona's books. So the name of the person who owns something, then an apostrophe, then an S, and then whatever the person possesses. So children, this is how we indicate possession or belonging. Now as we can read here, we use apostrophe S to show belonging or possession. And then we also use it to show that something is related to another. Like in this sentence, I went to attend the marriage of my cousin. Now we can also write it as I went to attend my cousin's marriage. Now in case of plural nouns, and if a plural noun ends in S, we do not use apostrophe S, but we only use what? We only use apostrophe. So those nouns, those plural nouns that end in S, we do not put apostrophe S after them, but we only put apostrophe. Like here, the hostel for the boys. Now boys is what? It's a plural noun which is ending in S. So here, how will we show possession? We will say the boys' hostel. Now here, as you can see, we have only put apostrophe, not S. The boys' hostel. Why have we done so? Because boys is a plural noun which is ending in S. So those plural nouns which end in S, we only put apostrophe after them. We do not put apostrophe S. Similarly, in the next sentence, the flats of the officers. So officers is again what? It is again a plural noun which is ending in S. So here also we can say, or we can write it as what? The officers' flats. Only apostrophe. You can see that there is no S added after apostrophe. Why? Because it's a plural noun which is ending in S. So this is a rule which we have to follow. That if a plural noun ends in S, we only put what? We only put an apostrophe. Now let's look at this box. This hook-like sign, what is it called? It is called apostrophe, and it is used to show belonging or possession. And to show possession, for nouns which are not ending in S, we add what? We add apostrophe S. And those nouns which are ending in S, we only add what? We only add apostrophe, no S. Okay? Now, exercise C. Insert apostrophe wherever it is needed. So let's see. First, my mother's purse. It means what? The purse belonging to my mother. So here, what will we do? We'll add apostrophe after the word mother, and it will be followed by S. So, my mother's purse. Next, these ladies' purses. Now, ladies is what? It's a plural noun which is ending in S, and we know that in case of plural noun which ends in S, we only put what? We only put an apostrophe. So here we'll put apostrophe after the word ladies. Next, those women's suggestions. Now women is also what? It's a plural noun, but it is not ending in S. So we'll put apostrophe after the word women, and then it will be followed with an S. So those women's suggestions. Next, Tagore's poems. Now, in this one, apostrophe will come after the word Tagore, followed by an S. Next, girls' college. Now, girls is a plural noun that which is ending in S. So, we'll put apostrophe after the word girls. So, girls' college. Next, the fox's tails. Now, the word foxes is again a plural noun ending in S. So, we'll put apostrophe after the word foxes. The fox's tails. Next, grandmother's advice. Now, grandmother, in this one, grandmother's advice, we'll put apostrophe after the word grandmother, which will be followed with an S. Next, children's return gifts. Now, children is what? It's a plural noun which is not ending in S. So, we'll put it is a singular. It is a plural noun. Children is what? It's a plural noun, but it does not end in S. So, we'll put apostrophe after the word children. So, children's return gifts. Next, principal's orders. Now, here we'll put apostrophe where? After the word principal, which will be followed with an S. So, principal's orders. Next, Tushar's marks. Now, here also we'll put apostrophe after the word Tushar, and then it will be followed with an S. Tushar's marks. Next, Mr. Biswas's car. Now, here also we'll put apostrophe after the word Biswas. So, Mr. Biswas's car, the car belonging to Mr. Biswas. Next, Dickens' novels. Now, here also we'll put apostrophe after the word Dickens, followed by an S. So, that's about it, children. Just remember that if a plural noun ends in S, what do you have to do? If a plural noun ends in S, we do not use apostrophe S, but we only use what? We use only apostrophe. So that's all for today, children. Thank you.